PE Bowman Trampoline Workout! Welcome to our workout! Today we are jumping on the Leaps and Rebounds trampoline. You can get yourself one at leapsandrebounds.com. Don't forget our discount code PE Bowman 10 to save 10%. Now let's get started! Go!
Hello passengers, this is your captain speaking. We are safely cruising at 35,000 feet. You are now free to bounce around the cabin. Enjoy your workout.
Switch or rest? Go! Switch or rest? Go! Switch or rest? Go!
Listen up, recruit! I don't tolerate laziness. Straighten that back, eyes forward. This is where your transformation begins. You'll march, you'll sweat, and you'll learn what it means to be part of something bigger than yourself. Are you ready to work harder? Are you ready to get stronger? Good!
Switch or rest? Go! Switch or rest? Go!
He is the greatest player to ever play the game. Look at him go. He dribbles. He shoots. It's a goal! Goal! What a perfect play under pressure.
Switch or rest? Go! Switch or rest? Go! It's time for
tickets. Please, tickets. Hop on one foot if you have your ticket to ride.
Switch legs.
Switch or rest. Go! Switch or rest. Go! Switch or rest. Go!
Greetings, Earthlings. We have travelled from far away to see this workout.
Switch or rest. Go! Switch or rest. Go! Switch or rest. Go! Switch or rest. Go! It's time for Shane Games! Pikachu, wait! Go! Pikachu! Jump! Jump! Wait! Go! Pikachu!